everyone, and welcome back to amazing affiliate marketing video which will make you rich in few months. All you need to do is to use some AI tools and make your money and become rich. Now first search for Amazon affiliate program, and here you can see this is the website. Just enter this website and you can sign up for free. 3 simple steps: sign up, recommend and earn. So just click on sign up and sign up with your Google account. And here I am. The first you need to enter your details like pay name and your address, your city. Just fill up all the details, and if this is you, just click on the pay listed above and click on next. And now here you need to add your website, so you can add your WordPress link or like Instagram page. I have my Instagram, so also you can post your page if you are doing affiliate marketing on your page. So but I recommend you, if you need to use the AI tool which I am showing you in this video, so you need to paste your WordPress website link here. Just for the reference, I am using this affiliate Amazon affiliate page profile, and I'm just copying the link and just to show you, but you need to paste here your WordPress blog or article link. So just click on no, because it's not under 13 website. So here you just need to select any store ID, like I am selecting tech gadgets. So make it unique, like the one which all people are searching. So tell us about your content, like I am Instagram influencer and I am promote digital products. So like this, just describe your blog or article and just select the best thing that describe your content, and just what you how did you hear about us, just like any of the above, and just fill that captcha. And after that, just click on finish, and boom, your account is created and you have this unique ID. And just now this is the dashboard where you can see all of your sales, your earnings, all the graphs, how much commission you are making, how much people are buying with your links. So all the details you can find from here. So now just we will head over to the product selection. So for that, just search for Amazon hot, or you can write Amazon bestsellers. So just enter this website, Amazon bestsellers, and you need to find a good products here, like this is the number 1, number 2, number 3. So I think this is the one good one, because females usually buy this. So all you need to do is just click on text and get your affiliate link. Just copy that, and now don't copy it right now. Let me tell you the AI tool which we are using. Just head over to TextBuilder AI and search for it, and this is the amazing AI tool. Just enter this first website and click on members area, and just go for the autopilot product, because this is the best of all. So just click on start new project, and here just list your project title, like my Amazon blog, and your niche is like food and cooking, because that product is about for usually used for cooking. So just click on create projects, and now you need to add your keywords. So nothing you need to do, just go to that product again and copy the title and paste here, so that you can generate title ideas. Just click on generate ideas, and now you can see you have almost 10 titles for your article. So just select the informative and all these settings, keep it as it is. And you can use this AI image tool also available here, and you can add your photo and photo location. You can add external links. Yes, it's good. I am adding the 2-1. Okay, and just click on all the titles should be added, so click on add titles. So now it's ready for generate. So just click on start generate. It will generate 10 articles, as you can see, and all these titles are available on the left. So just in a few seconds you can see your all the articles are ready. So now the main thing you need to do is, so just select all of the articles one by one and add your affiliate link. You need to do this work, because if you are not adding your affiliate link, you are not getting paid. So just I'm selecting this article, and now I will show you how you can paste the link here. So all you need to do is just head over to your affiliate Amazon, copy that affiliate link and right by here and paste the link here. Now just copy the same link and paste in your article like 3 to 4 times here, in between, in middle. And now just you can schedule your article like 1 article per day. So select all and schedule. So how you can schedule and select your WordPress, I am going to teach you now. Just head over to WordPress and just log in with your Gmail account, or if you have already an account, so you can just log in. And here just head over to plugins, and here you need to find the TextBuilder plugin. Once you got the plugin, just download it. And now here you can see here will be the option of activate. So this is not my account, so I am not activating here. So I'm gonna teach you. Just go to settings of TextBuilder, and here just click on WordPress, and here you can find the detailed guidance video because how you can install the plugin from WordPress. And then you need to head over to TextBuilder AI, and you need to head over to settings and then WordPress, and then you need to sync categories and tags. Just watch this little short video, and after that, once your WordPress is connected with your TextBuilder AI, you can find it here. So you have scheduled your article like 1 articles per day, and so that you can easily publish. Now once the people come to your article, they can read about the product and they would like it, and they will buy from your link, and you are getting paid. Like you can see, if 100 people come, 20 will buy. So just a good amount you can earn. And thank you so much guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all my latest videos like this, earning using AI. And good luck.